So, but since then using the machine, you notice that?
Since I started using the machine, I slept well. Pain has gone. I do put it on my tummy because I have ulcer. Although I've not went to do test.
But how do you feel?
But within me, if the thing has not gone, 70%, I know
that's taking because of the way you feel.
Healing has taken place. Honestly, wow. I'm not joking, because there are so many things I can do before. I can't do before that I'm doing now. The thing is really, really good. If you can see, I came back to come and buy the
bracelets,
and I bought another
plate. Yes.
Plate.
Yes.
If it's not working, I will not come back.
No.
I've seen a lot of changes in me. I used to take medicine. As you are seeing me, I take medicine every day. It's not medicine per se, because I don't like pharmaceutical medicine. I take supplements. If I don't buy supplements in a week, in a